Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix cellular data not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, check your date and time and then set your date and time to automatic. So for this, open settings and here click on general, then click on date and time, and from here turn on this set automatically button. So after that, turn on and turn off your airplane mode from the control center. So do it 2 to 3 times, and after that your cellular data or mobile data will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then reinstall your SIM in your iPhone, and after reinstalling your SIM, reset network setting. So for this, open settings and scroll down and click on general, then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here click on reset. Now here you will see a reset network settings option. Click on it and then enter your screen time passcode, and now click on reset network settings to confirm. Now it will reset your all network settings in your iPhone, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So for this, open settings and click on general, then click on software updates. Now from here, check if your iPhone is updated or not. If your iPhone is not updated to the latest iOS version, then update it, and after updating, your cellular data or mobile data will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.